Bitcoin survived its first Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) denial of a Bitcoin ETF, with many bullish market participants claiming that the SEC denial is a buying opportunity. This article provides some context for what has been happening in the cryptocurrency markets over the past week, highlighting the latest news about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. What is Bitcoin and why does it matter? Bitcoin is a digital asset and a payment system invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public dispersed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin is unique in that there are a finite number of them, 21 million. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. As of February 2015, over 100,000 merchants and vendors accepted Bitcoin as payment. Bitcoin is often called the first cryptocurrency, although prior systems existed. Bitcoin is more correctly described as the first decentralized digital currency. It is the largest of its kind in terms of total market value. What causes the Bitcoin bubble? When discussing the recent Bitcoin bubble, it's important to first understand what caused it. While there is no definitive answer, there are a few potential factors that may have played a role. One possibility is that investors were simply caught up in the hype surrounding Bitcoin and blockchain technology. With everyone talking about Bitcoin, it's easy to see how people could get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive investment decisions. Another possibility is that there was an underlying fundamental reason for the Bitcoin bubble. Perhaps investors believe that Bitcoin will become the global currency or that blockchain will revolutionize the way we store and interact with data. While these beliefs may not be entirely unfounded, they could still lead to irrational exuberance and cause people to invest more than they should. Whatever the case may be, it's important to remember that bubbles eventually burst, and those who invested too much money into Bitcoin at the peak of the bubble are likely to lose a significant amount of money. If you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin, be sure to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. How Bitcoin affects your wallet. When it comes to Bitcoin, there is a lot of speculation about what will happen next. Some people believe that Bitcoin will eventually become worthless, while others think that it will continue to rise in value. No one knows for sure what the future holds, but one thing is certain: if you own Bitcoin, it can have a big impact on your wallet. If you're holding onto Bitcoin in hopes that it will increase in value, you could end up losing a lot of money if the price crashes. On the other hand, if you sell your Bitcoin when the price is high, you could end up making a huge profit. Either way, it's important to be aware of the risks involved with investing in Bitcoin. No matter what happens with the price of Bitcoin, always remember to keep your private keys safe and secure. If you lose your private keys, you could lose access to your Bitcoins forever. Why Bitcoin bottom predictions are wrong. When it comes to predicting when Bitcoin will bottom out, everyone seems to be wrong. Whether it's the experts on Wall Street or so-called crypto gurus, no one has been able to accurately call a bottom for Bitcoin, and there's a good reason for that. The thing is, trying to predict the bottom for any asset is incredibly difficult, if not impossible. And that's because there are just too many variables at play. Sure, you can look at charts and analyze past price patterns to get an idea of where the market might go. But at the end of the day, no one really knows what's going to happen. So, if you're thinking about trying to call a bottom for Bitcoin, you might want to think again. The chances of you being right are slim to none. Conclusion. Bitcoin's price has been volatile as of late, and it's hard to predict where it will go next. However, one thing is for sure: everyone is wrong about when Bitcoin bottomed. Whether you believe that Bitcoin has already bottomed or that it will continue to fall, the important thing is to be prepared for anything. So, what should you do? First, don't panic. Second, don't make any rash decisions. And third, keep an eye on the market and be ready to buy or sell if the situation changes.